Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Applights Permanent Lights. They're marketed as a year-round outdoor lighting solution, letting you switch between everyday accent lighting and festive holiday vibes. With smart app control, millions of color combinations, and a kit that promises easy installation, these lights look pretty appealing at first glance. But the big question is, are they really worth it? Or should you think twice before buying? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. So let's start with what these lights actually offer. Applights Permanent Lights are designed to stay up all year, meaning you don't have to take them down after each holiday. They come with app-controlled LED bulbs, giving you the ability to customize each individual bulb's color. The app even has pre-programmed light shows and claims to offer about 8.5 million color and effect combinations. You can choose from seasonal animations, or make your own patterns if you like experimenting. The kit itself comes pretty complete. You get 72 LED bulbs with adhesive backing, 74 detachable Christmas-style covers, screws, a control box, extension wire, and up to 100 feet of coverage. You only need a screwdriver or drill on your side. Gimmick Industries, the brand behind it, is known for seasonal decor, which gives it some credibility, and the app is available on both iOS and Android. One of the interesting features is the transformable bulb covers. You can snap on the C9-style Christmas covers for a festive look, or leave them off for everyday accent lighting. It's a neat idea because it allows you to install once, but switch between holiday and regular setups easily. However, there are a few things to be aware of. Some users report that the Bluetooth connection isn't always reliable, which can make controlling the lights frustrating. Installation can also get tricky, especially on longer roof lines or more complex setups. And the app has a bit of a learning curve. You might spend some time figuring out how to set colors and patterns exactly the way you want. Overall, if you're looking for a smart, customizable outdoor lighting solution, and don't mind a little setup and troubleshooting, Applights Permanent Lights could be a fun addition to your home. But if you're looking for something truly plug and play without any technical issues, it might not be the perfect fit.